lot of stress there that you're carrying. A lot of pain on your shoulders, worrying. You're a mom. We spend too much time focusing on what divides us instead of what is connecting us. And we all believe, like, the teaching is being interconnectedness, right? That we're all connected to this web. And if we can all get on board with that, I think we would take better care of the earth and better care of one another.
I would say just really at the heart of connection is just the recognition of like the human element in all of it. That helps us grow, and that helps us see each other better and be seen better when we remember that as human beings, we don't always show up the same every single day. We have good days and we have bad days. So creating the space for that and honoring that.
I think love is really misunderstood. It's one of our sacred teachings. So once you achieve love, you live in a state of love. There's no I love you and I don't love them, because you have connections to all the humans, to all our animals, to our trees, to our rocks, to Mother Earth.
It's about who you claim, but who claims you, and recognizing that together we can move further so much more efficiently and effectively and with a lot less stress if we work together rather than working against each other. That's what we do in our communities. We take care of each other. When there's fires, we will immediately have calls out for clothes and for food. And that's really beautiful. And you don't see that in a lot of other communities. And so I think that that's like a really great example of how connected our community really is.
We are all related. We're all in this web of life together. We're on a journey to bring each other home, ourselves home. And that's all we want to do, is love each other back home. So that's what we're trying to do in this circle.